Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm gonna destroy a scammer's PC through a virus, and this virus will completely destroy the scammer's PC. So watch the video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video. Thank you.
Now leave your mouse and hold on, okay?
Okay.
This, do you see Google out there?
This scammer was not trying to scam this person, but so many people one by one. And I was just observing his PC for so many more than 20 minutes, and there was a person who was getting scammed, and he was almost getting scammed, but in the middle of the scam he just recognized that he was getting scammed, so he just hung up on.
Alright, you need to type in there www dot. Alright, just look at your just new tab, open up your new tab. Yes. Every month you have every month you will charge every month $300. Okay. Yes, your call is connected Amazon support directly, madam. That is the reason. Okay, you don't do anything, madam. Just close everything. I'm gonna help you out. My work is help with our customer, madam. Okay. Madam, listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. The reason is that your Amazon account is not secure at the moment. That is the reason you are facing this problem. That's why I'm giving you a call. Okay. Now, if you want to cancel, just tell me. So just go ahead and sit in front of your laptop. Are you in front of your laptop? I do believe. Now, just look what you can see on your laptop screen. Just tell me. Confirm me.
This scammer was not just trying to scam this lady, but so many other people online who were in this trouble. But I don't know how much time I was just seeing his screen and observing each and every activity. But finally, I decided to destroy his PC. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm just installing the virus to the scammer's PC. Yeah, he just opened it. Yeah. Yeah, this. Yeah, it's done. He opened the exe file. I don't know, this scammer didn't give any reaction while reading this, but I could hear his sound while reading it. He was literally scared. Yep. I use the same technique with these crypto scammers use to scam peoples. The scammers just install a virus in your PC and they'll run it. And when you run it, it will show that you have to pay this much of amount, and the all files will not get deleted and it will be returned. So I used it to the scammer which was scamming that lady, and the scammer, I don't know why this scammer didn't give any reaction. I couldn't hear anything, but I know he was scared, he was panicked. But after some time he just shut down his PC and never returned back. And in next video, if this scammer returns, I didn't get any feeling that his PC was on, but if the scammer returns, I'll make a whole video on this and I will completely destroy his PC.